You ready to kick it? Yeah. You got anything back there? Hold it back.
Here, get the shield.
Yeah, get the shield. Get ready to kick it. Start banging. Bang on that door. See if anybody's coming back to that door.
Watch windows. Get back. Focus, please.
112. We're on the 4th century.
Focus, please. Whoever's police, if you're in here, make yourself known.
I'm here. No.
Come down.
No.
Come. Keep your fucking hands up.
I got the long rifle frame. Can you swap me?
Yep.
He's up. Columbus Police, make yourself known. Anybody here?
He's upstairs.
All right, let's go ahead and clear the downstairs. Make sure we're safe, okay?
All right. Yep.
All right, moving in. I'm gonna clear down. Somebody cover the upstairs.
Yep.
Columbus Police, anybody here? Make yourself known.
What's up, buddy?
This room's clear.
Keep on my shoulder. We're gonna clear the.
Face it. Yep, got it.
She at the hospital.
What happened with the hospital?
Huh?
What happened with the hospital?
I don't know. She went to the hospital.
All right. Why don't you come down here for real quick, Bob? Come down here with your hands up. Hey, Nathan, come here real quick, bud. We gotta talk to you.
Let me just get that safe right.
Make sure your hands are so we can see them, though, okay?
Columbus Police.
Get behind. Get behind. Should we back out?
Everybody
Over here.
Go out the back door.
112. Shot fired. Hold right there. Careful. He's shooting right there.
10-3.
Do you guys hit?
No.
Everybody okay?
I'm
You guys
good.
all right?
Get away from the front door. Get away from the door. Go around back. Hey guys,
Yeah.
watch.
Yeah. Copy that. You all right, buddy? You okay?
Yeah,
You
I'm good.
okay?
I'm good.
All right.
Everybody good?
Yeah, we're okay. We're right here.
All right, hold on. We got one of them. We're in the first floor. Suspects barricaded upstairs.
Come out with your hands up! Come down with your hands up, buddy! Come down with your hands up!
Do we have anybody shot?
Come down with your hands up!
We're all good.
Come down with your hands up, buddy! You all right, buddy? Come down with your hands up, buddy!
I need to talk to somebody to get myself up.
Okay!
We can do that, buddy. You just gotta show us your hands and come down with your hands up.
You gotta get my girlfriend, tell her she gotta come here.
Okay!
We'll do all that, but I need you to come down. Nathan, just come down with your hands up. There's blood on that pillow.
Where?
No, we're not. No, Nathan, I promise you. You come down here with your hands up. There won't be a problem. You have my word.
And then we'll hand it to the deputy to make sure that you got him for sure.
How do I know that's true?
Man, we ain't lying to you.
How many numbers can I get?
How many do you need?
I need like 10 numbers so I should write them down myself.
I will get you 10.
Yeah, man. Come on.
If you tell me 20, we'll get you 20, buddy.
So I can get my watermelon.
Yeah, man.
Well, we'll get it for you.
If I throw down this firearm,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna shoot.
No.
We promise.
Just make sure it's not in your hand, man. That's the biggest thing.
Upstairs.
Yeah.
Come down with your hands up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm like, I know I should not be saying this, but like, yeah, it's crazy, bro. This is my first time shooting.
Is it?
Sorry, nah.
Okay.
Sorry, yes it is, bro.
Well,
It's all good, man.
yeah, you're good, buddy.
So now, when I get out, I'm never gonna do what I did.
Well, that's good, man.
It's gonna be a felon. Alright, bro.
You coming?
Yeah, I'm just someone in the firearm.
Okay.
All right, dude.
My watermelon.
All right.
Said leave it up here, right?
Yeah, leave it up there.
Gun up there.
Yeah, just leave it up there, man. Don't worry about it.
He's about to walk down. About to walk down.
He's coming down.
Yeah. I have trust.
What's his name?
Nathan. Hey, Nathan.
We got lethal.
Hey, it's going to look kind of scary when you go around the corner, but that doesn't mean anything, all right?
I'm not worried.
All right, my dude.
Alright, hold on.
What?
Let me at least change my shirt.
All right.
Change your shirt. Come on, Nathan. Now, what are you going to change it to?
Yeah, Patrol's got a report with him right now. He's changing his shirt. He should be coming down the steps here shortly.
I'll cut it down.
All right,
I'm
Nathan.
smoking my doobie though.
Say what?
I'm smoking my doobie. Don't
That's all good.
You can keep that doobie.
Keep smoking. But look, hey, keep your hands out, though, man. Hands are a big thing.
Keep coming down, Nathan.
Yeah, you good, man?
See, I got my doobie.
I got you.
All right, we
Listen-
good?
Listen to me. Just come down the steps.
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, you good,
Come down
buddy.
the steps. You're good to go.
My dude. Man, I appreciate you.
Thanks a
Keep
lot.
going. Keep going. Keep going.
My watermelon.
Keep going.
I'll get your watermelon. Don't worry.
Yeah, man.
We'll
Yeah,
get
you
you
can
there
have
in a
it.
minute. Keep
Hey,
going.
look, but
Come
we gotta
this
get you in
way.
cuffs
Keep
first.
going.
We'll get you all that
Keep coming.
stuff. That sound good?
Come back this way.
I
Keep
do.
coming back. Keep coming back. Keep going.
There you go, Nathan. Hey, relax, dude. Relax. You good?
Thank you, Nathan. Thank you, Nathan.
I'm a good man.
Oh, my phone.
Where's your phone at?
Remember, we're people of our word. We'll get your numbers and your food.
Hey, where's the watermelon at?
Is there anybody else inside?
We got to clear
No way.
upstairs.
Downstairs and basement are clear.
We just need the upstairs done.
All right. Patrol's saying we got
Thank you, Nathan.
first floor.
You made the right decision.
Yeah, he sure did, man. Hey, look, you're young, man. You're young. Mistakes happen.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I wasn't
Man, I get that. We didn't either, man.
We'll get your doobie. Don't worry about the doobie. We just got to put you in the cuffs, all right? Yeah, I know. We just got to check, boss. Okay.
Yeah, we got to do a few things.
For me.
Hold on.
Can I stand up on myself?
Yeah, just hold on, man.
They've already been advised you guys are going to take them out of the structure and bring them back. So. Thanks for coming down, Nathan.
Moving out.
Moving out. The shield open.
Oh, father in custody coming out.
Yeah, we'll hold this if you guys want to, and then we'll just send other guys out. Thank you guys.
Appreciate you guys.
Sir?
Hey, what's up, my brother?
Hang on.
At this moment, I got the remote right to main silence. Yes, sir. I want my watermelon though. Hold on.
Yes, sir. We'll get your watermelon, man. You get everything.
Hey, Nathan, it's Ken, man. I was talking to you. I'm glad you came down, man.
I'm glad you ain't shooting.
Man, I don't want to shoot you. None of these guys want to shoot you either, man.
Hold on. Can y'all leave because get my shoes?
You need shoes? Oh, you all right? Hey, what kind of shoes you got?
I don't know. I just any type of shoes.
They gotta do
And
shoes.
when I do get released, at least I got some shoes. or
Something to slide into.
Yeah.
You need a medic?
Man, I was on it though.
Oh.
Y'all got no.
Yeah, listen. I'm there, I'm gonna go get that tag.
That was
Yes.
All right, now I'm gonna
Once they're done doing what they're doing in there, I'll. Yeah, just.
I still want to get
Okay, I know they're clearing right now. Thank you.